Have you heard the news? Seismic activity around the massive caldera has been spiking lately. We're seeing more tremors, more ground shaking. But what does it all really mean for the risk of an eruption? Is this the calm before the storm, or just the planet stretching its legs? Today we're diving deep into the current state of the caldera. We'll break down the data, separate the facts from the fear, and explore what these seismic signals could mean for everyone living in the region. Stick with me as we uncover the story brewing just beneath our feet. With every new tremor, the big question on everyone's mind is it going to blow? It's a valid concern. An eruption from a supervolcano like this caldera would be a global event. But volcanic eruptions aren't random tantrums. They give us warnings. The challenge is learning to read them. Key signs include changes in ground deformation, where the land literally swells up like a loaf of bread, shifts in the gases being released from vents, and of course the frequency and depth of earthquakes. So are the current shakes just background noise, or are they the opening act for something much, much bigger? Let's look at the evidence. Recent data shows a definite uptick in the number of small to moderate earthquakes clustered in specific areas under the caldera. When we compare this to historical patterns, we see that the caldera has gone through similar periods of unrest before without erupting. However, volcanologists are paying close attention this time. Expert analysis suggests that while many of these quakes are related to the movement of superheated water and gases deep underground, a few have characteristics that could indicate magma is on the move. So should we be worried? The experts say not to panic, but to be prepared and stay informed. This isn't a sign of an imminent eruption, but it is a clear reminder that we live on a dynamic and powerful planet. Now, for the key moment. What's the most significant finding from all this data? It's the location and depth of these recent seismic swarms. For years the activity was scattered and relatively shallow, but now we're seeing a concentrated pattern in a zone that was previously quiet, and some of these tremors are originating deeper within the Earth's crust. This could indicate that a new batch of magma is rising and recharging the massive magma chamber that lies beneath the caldera. For the communities nearby, this means the long-term potential for an eruption is a real and present factor to consider. It as a game changer that has shifted the scientific community's focus and increased the urgency for more advanced monitoring. So to wrap it all up, yes, seismic activity at the caldera has increased and some signs suggest changes are happening deep underground. However, this doesn't mean an eruption is about to happen tomorrow. It's a critical time for observation and data collection, and the best thing we can do is remain calm, informed, and prepared. If you found this deep dive into the caldera's activity helpful, be sure to check out our other videos on geology and earth science. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more updates on this developing story. Thanks for watching.